Hey there, if you're finding that the sound on your AirPod Pros or AirPod 4s is cutting out when you speak, there's a setting we can easily change. What we want to do first is make sure the AirPods are connected to your phone, and once they are, just flip the lid open so we can get to the menu. Next, we'll go to Settings. Just here, in the main settings window, you'll see your AirPods menu. Click that. We have a plethora of options here. Let's slide down and find the one we need, and it's called Conversation Awareness. And what it does, it lowers media volume and reduces background noise when you start speaking to other people. Let's toggle this off. And with that, that problem is now gone. So I hope that's helped. If it has, leave a like on the video and leave a comment just to say hi. I like to read and get back. Thanks very much, and I wish you a great day ahead.